Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Carlos Correa Martinez. I'm a student at UNAD, Universidad Nacional Abierta a Distancia, and right now I'm about to start my individual work, which consists on explaining how we Colombian people celebrate the New Year's Eve and some agüeros, or in English, omens that we have or we believe. Okay, believe in. So please, let's take a look. As you can see right now, well, we believe that decoration is a lot of important here. Uh, we normally have our houses decorated with Christmas Eve and Christmas stuff. Um, it is very colorful, and normally we have like parties, local parties here, but obviously these parties have people, which includes obviously the family and the most important friends. So we don't often go to parties to celebrate. We prefer to stay in our houses and then maybe have a homemade meal. And also, it is very important, as you see here, um, the liquor, the booze. Here in Colombia, we have a lot of favorite beverages, but I could say that maybe the most important are white water, which means in Spanish aguardiente, rum, which means in Spanish ron, beer, well, wine, stuff. Um, it is very important to stay with friends. Also, as you can see here, another omen that we have is eating 12 grapes at midnight. Well, we believe that by eating these 12 grapes, we can make a wish for each one we can eat. Asking for well money, asking for a new job, asking for good things in our lives. Well, believe it or not, this is a very funny one. It is wearing yellow underwear. Don't ask me why, but here we believe that by wearing yellow underwear, it brings us good luck, wealth, and money. Um, I don't know what is the cosmical reason, but that's it. That's one of our omens. Okay, next one that we are going to see right now, it is cash in hand and the new year. Well, it is important for us to have some money in our pockets, as you can see, because we believe that it could bring us money, it could bring us wealth, uh, for paying our debts, or maybe to have some treats. Well, whatever we are considering. Very important to have dollars, euros, or here the local money is pesos. So it is important to start the new year with some money in our pockets. Even it could be bills, or it could be some coins, as you can see with this smiling guy. Well, it is important for us to release these negative things that we could have in the last year, and by doing this, we can make a list of the good and the bad in our lives. Well, this is just to keep the good things in our life and improve them, and also release the negative energy, negative stuff, so we can focus on the good and the bad. Well, besides of the money in the pockets, this is number 6, which is fill your pockets with lentils. And well, lentils, which means in Spanish lentejas, well, practically it is like coins in our pockets. It also means like to bring in good luck and good stuff in our lives, and like as a symbol of abundance, of wealth, I guess. It is important for us to start the new year by cleaning our houses. I mean, not to have like a messy house or a messy apartment, because literally it is like cleaning the negative energies or the negative stuff, not only for in our body or in our lives, but also in the place that we live. Okay, perhaps this is one of the most important ones, is turning the Año Viejo doll, which is practically something really funny and could be dangerous. Right now, the local government is banning this omen because some people can easily get burned by doing this, because we burn them by using fireworks. Well, obviously, fireworks could have serious consequences. Practically, it's taking just a doll representing a person or something that we have in this year that is passing, and by burning it, just we let it go, we release it, and we want that disappear from our lives. That's negative energy. Well, another one, 9, put your right foot forward. Well, it's just another omen or agüero, as I said before. It's just to start the day with by stepping with the right foot, not the left one. Yeah. It is like starting with energy, with positive vibes and stuff. Well, we're about to finish this ranking. Another one, as you saw before, having wheat on the table. Well, wheat cereal, it represents like abundance, like it's colorful. So it is like having food in our tables for the rest of the coming year. So we are not going to go to bed without eating or having our bellies empty. It also represents the abundance in our lives and jobs and personal stuff. And the last one, and maybe is the funniest one, it is really funny to see this thing in the streets. It is run around the block with your suitcase at midnight. Well, no, we are not insane. Well, or maybe yes, I don't know. Well, it's practically some people having a suitcase or bags, some bags, and just walking on the streets or just running with them. Practically, this is like expressing like that person wants for the coming year to have like some trips or some travels abroad. This represents like the wish for people to go and know some places, knowing some cultures, maybe to have the opportunity to travel. Yeah, as it's being seen during the video. Well, guys, that's all for all. Thank you very much for your attention. Please don't laugh about these beliefs. I don't believe in personally, but these are culture. Thank you very much.